In this video we're gonna check if we can edit slow motion videos on CMF Phone 2 Pro. So first I'm gonna open the gallery. Over here I have my slow motion video, and let's press this pen icon over here in the bottom right corner in order to try to edit it. And usually by editing a slow motion video, I understand it as adjusting the range or the section that is using the slow motion effect. And unfortunately, in this case, it seems that there is no way to adjust that slow motion effect. We cannot select the area of the video, the frame of the video or frames of the video that should use the slow motion effect. It is simply applied on the whole video, so we cannot adjust that. We have some tools, of course, that we can use for our slow motion videos, such as the stabilization, enhancement. We can also export frame. We have some basic editing tools available as well. We have some different effects over here, like for example the fisheye, and we can of course press the play button in order to see how it looks like. But generally speaking, that is all we can do. There's also some preset option that allows us to, for example, track the object and so on. So this is what we can do with the slow motion video on CMF Phone 2 Pro. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!